Erin Ijesha Waterfall was first discovered in the 1140 AD and was called Olumiri, which means another deity, because it seemed that it had appearance of a mysterious figure. The natives of Erin Ijesha at that time believed that the waterfall is a sacred altar through which souls can be purified. The waterfall is enclosed within the soothing hands of nature. The whole scenery is fascinating and idyllic. After traveling 53 kilometers by road from Osogbo to Erin Ijesha, we finally arrived at the city of Erin Oke, which leads directly to the Erin Ijesha waterfall. So guys, you have to take a bike when you get here. The atmosphere around the waterfall is mind-blowing. Now that we've finally gotten here, let the adventure begin. Hello people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's bbmirasworld here again. If you're stopping by for the first time, please do endeavor hitting the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. But if you're not, thank you so much for always sticking around. Guys, today I am at this waterfall called Erin Ijesha Waterfall here in the Osun state. Guys, this is one of the historical places in Nigeria, and I can't wait to show you guys what this place looks like. This waterfall is about 2 hours from Osogbo town. We were told 45 minutes, but guys, we traveled so far, and from my calculations it was up to 2 hours. Anyways, I'm going to get connected with the tour guide because I don't want to say anything myself. I want you guys to hear from the master himself. I'm going to go over to meet the tour guide so he tells us the entire history of Erin Ijesha Waterfall.
Once again, you're welcome to Olumiri Waterfalls, Erin Ijesha. Here we have 7th levels of the waterfalls.
7th level?
7th levels, yes. Where people are living. People are living at the 7th levels of the waterfall.
Wow.
Getting to number 7, you are no more in Osun State.
People are living at the 7th level.
Yes.
Like they pass here.
Yes. Ascending and descending is 4 hours.
Ascending and descending is 4 hours.
Yes, people are living there. You're in Ekiti State when you get to number 7.
Number 7 is
Yes,
Ekiti State.
yes, when you go there, they will give you something to drink, bushmeat, something good.
Are we going to get there today?
No, you can't get there today. It depends. It depends on how you trek, because it's not an easy job. It's not a good job.
I was not told I'm here to hike, like, bro. Seriously?
This is the pot where the water is coming from. According to this stream, we read. But yeah,
So guys, we started hiking. I don't know how far I can get, but the tour guide said I can get to maybe the 3 layers, because the 7th one, you guys already know, is in another state. So let's see how well we can do this thing. Let the journey begin. So this is what the stairs looks like. We started climbing. Oh my god, I hope I don't faint. Wow. Tour guide, how many stairs altogether are here?
you have 7 stairs.
7 stairs.
This staircase.
Yeah, the staircase.
Okay, 128.
128. Wait, you said there are 128 stairs to get to the 3rd layer. Wow. The 3rd level, the 3rd layer, whatever, but it takes 28 stairs. I think we've just done like 10 or 15. We have not started. And these stairs are not really all together, because in some places they will become smooth. I don't think they count this one. And then after a while, you see the stairs. But then, I don't know, it seems like I'm already breathing hard. I hope you're going to survive this.
Yes, you will. You make it.
Yeah, sure. It's not an easy one.
Oh my goodness, see the view from here. Wow. Let me show you. You get to see the view of the village from here. Let me zoom it a bit.
Wow, see the settlement, guys. Wow, guys, come and see. See the beauty of nature, like seriously. Wow. Come and see. See how beautiful it is. Guys, the water is super clean. Woo! Oh my God. So guys, we finally got into the first layer or the first level of the Erin Ijesha Waterfall, and I'm here with Grace and Faith. We're enjoying this adventure together, and this has been super fun. Be careful of your camera. So guys, we just got to the second layer. Wow, this is so cute. Oh my God, see the vegetation around here. Oh my goodness, God is great. Like seriously, see nature at its beauty. Woo! Guys, I can't wait to hop inside here. I'm gonna change my outfit and go inside. Oh my gosh! It's fine. So guys, we are at layer 2 or level 2, and we are going to be changing our outfit here because I can't wait to get in there. I mean, showers of blessings from nature. Like gosh, you won't come here without entering that waterfall. Oh my God.
My name is Curator Abiodun. Here we are at Olumiri waterfalls, and the short history about Olumiri waterfall, about the woman that discovered this place. Some years ago, there was a woman called Akinla. She was a great hunter. She came from Ile-Ife down to Erin Ijesha. Although this town was called Irin before. But when civilization comes, later changed to Erin Ijesha. And when she came from Ile-Ife down to Irin that people were now calling Erin Ijesha. She sent one of our hunters called Aponju Abela. The man, he was a great hunter also, but he's the only man among them because the rest are just women. When they got to this town called Erin Ijesha, asked him to go and look for bushmeat, to go and hunt. When he entered the bush, he was scared. He heard some noise, strange noise. He don't know where the noise was coming from, and he was scared. So suddenly he ran back to Akinla to where she was. That Mama, I heard something strange. That was meaning of this. And Mama also went to the bush to go and look for what is happening there. When Yeye got to the bush, Yeye saw this water. When she saw the water, she was scared also. She was amazed that I was meaning of this because she thought she was the only one that God created them. That was the reason why people were calling her the Yeye Akinla, mother of all. Yoruba language, Yoruba call her Yeye Aye. So Yeye Aye, when she got here from Ile-Ife down here, Yeye Aye said, that means there is another God. That's where they utter the word Olumiri, another God. Another God in Yoruba, Oluwamiran. And Oluwamiran changed to Olumiri waterfall.
So guys, I just got changed and I'm ready to hop all over there. I saw something like rainbow. Like I was like, oh my God, what was that? I freaked out. Oh, that is so cool and chilled. Oh my goodness. Wow. So guys, we are finally going to leave the level 2 and we are going up to level 3. I think that's the best we can do today, 3 levels, because I want to enjoy the waterfall, you know. So let's go. My friends are over there and we are heading to layer 3. Come with me, let's go have fun. Level 3! So these guys over here, they are advising us that we should not go to the layer 3 because it's scary, and if you are having phobia for heights, you're gonna like be scared when coming down. See that man upstairs, he's crying for his life, like seriously. Anyways, I'm a gel queen, so I'm gonna go up there. So let's go together. It's not an easy one, guys. See how far we've come. Woo. Wow. This is it for me, that how do I honestly keep it? Wow. Okay. Wow. Wow. You cannot use your husband and just talk to them. But if you talk, you just connect your mic to them. Okay.
See? So we are descending. It's not that scary after all.
I'm your leader. Come follow me, girls. Come and follow. Blessing, stop. Magic, blessing. What? Up, power of anything. So guys, we made it to the third layer. My friends are still coming, as you can see. We made it. The sun is baby, like bro. Let me show you guys. So we made it to the third layer, guys. I'm super excited. Woo, woo, woo. Wow, this is beautiful. This is a beautiful view.
Okay, hold it on first. I know what you guys can hear me shouting at the back. This one is intense. I can see rainbow. Guys, getting to that place is not easy. Guys, wow. The water is beautiful.
So guys, we've had mad fun over here, like guys, seriously, and we are about to go back now. We are going to hike a bit and then we descend. I heard this is the most scary part of it, but then I came ready, I was born ready. Let's get going. So this is it. Where are my friends? They are nowhere to be found and I'm still here. Anyways, let's get going. Guys, we are descending now. Oh my goodness. I think I understand what that man is saying right now. The descending part is the scary part because it looks slippery or something. Anyways, guys, we've had mad fun over there. Guys, if you are a Nigerian or you ever visit Nigeria, and you've not been to Erin Ijesha Waterfall, then I don't know what you're waiting for. This place is super amazing. The nature will blow you away, guys. Man, I don't know, like, I'm short of words actually. Anyways, I've been talking too much. I guess you guys have seen how this wonderful waterfall looks like and you guys have listened to the entire history. I'm super glad coming here and I know you enjoyed watching this video. So if you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed a few minutes with my friends, then do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. I'll have to leave the screen now. Catch you guys later. Bye.